Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You now have both spreadsheets ready and shared correctly. This saves time later. First, copy the source spreadsheet key from its URL and note the exact sheet name plus range, for example, Sheet 1, A1, C100. In the destination file, select the destination cell and type equals import range. Spreadsheet key, Sheet 1, A1, C100. Once you press enter, you'll see a #ref error asking for permission. That next step lets the sheets talk securely and is required to pull data. After you enter import range, click Allow Access on the #ref. Prompt, you must authorize the destination to read the source. Once authorized, the raw range fills. Make sure you used correct quotes if the sheet name has spaces. If you need a subset, wrap import range inside query or filter, for example equals query import range. Key, Sheet 1, A1, C100. Select Call 1, Call 3 where Call 2 100, 1. This lets you import only the rows and columns you need. Once the imported data looks correct, lock it down if necessary by copying and pasting values to avoid live updates. Make sure column headers align. Adjust ranges to include new rows or use open-ended ranges like A, C with care. If data seems stale, remember import range can be cached and updates periodically, so wait a moment or force a recalculation. If you hit #ref or #and/a, reopen the source, confirm sharing, reauthorize access, and verify your.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.